Good morning. Today we talk about electricity, electric current, electric shock to person, organizational and technical meanings of protection. It's lecture number 9. So, uh, from physics course, I think you know what is the electric current. First of all, it's the first our question. So. Generally, electric current characterized by different parameters such as power and density to any square, also resistance. That's why one of the main parameters it's the power of electric current. So on this formula you see how we can find power of electric current. So it depends from the defined time, and generally electric current it's a number of charged particles which flow through a cross section of conductor in the defined time. And when the potential difference is present with the charged particles, these charged particles start to move from one direction by the place of the highest potential to the place of lowest potential. And what is the impact of electric current on our body? So sure, electric current has the negative consequences and the negative impact on our body. So it's biological effect, it's electrolytical effect, and it characterized by different stages of electric shock. And I will talk about it a little later. So biological effect of electric current will be on our heart muscles during the electric shock. Muscles is twitching, also lungs, breathing system, generally also blood. Electrolytical effect of electric current has effect, negative effect on our blood, and during the electric shock metallic pads penetrate through the our skin and soft organs to the blood, and also it can lead to the electric burns, electrophthalmia, and problems with eyes. Our body has resistance to electric current generally, but the consequences and serious damage from electric shock will depend from a lot of factors, and one of the factors is our resistance of our body to the electric current. So for instance, resistance of dry intact skin average from 20,000 to 30,000 ohms per square centimeters. For a cyclical palm or sole, it may 2 or 3 million ohms to the square centimeter. Resistance of skin and moist, more about 1,500 square ohms for square centimeters. And the skin is punctures, for instance from a cut or abrasion or by needle. If its current is applied to moist mucous membranes, resistance may as low as 200 to 300. So and also I want to show you the main formula, because during the electric current the energy transformed to the heat. So and heat is equal to double amperage, it's power of electric current, multiple to the resistance in defined time, so multiple on time. And symptoms and signs of electric shock. So here you see, depend on the pathway of electric current, also from arm to arm, from arm to foot, it's some direction during the electric shock, connection between legs or leg and the ground, electrical injuries to the head, and heat voltage and low voltage injuries. And during the electric shock can be stopped breathing system and cardiovascular system, heart beating of people. That's why every person should know some simple reactions and some information about first aid. So separating the patient from the current source, rapid cardiopulmonary resuscitation, and care in hospital, call to emergency aid.